In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent a VPS from MetaTrader 5. Utilizing a virtual private server, or VPS, can significantly enhance your trading experience by offering improved speed and reliability. This is particularly beneficial for traders who run automated trading systems or need their platforms to operate continuously, even when their personal devices are off. So, let's dive into the process of setting this up within MetaTrader 5. First, ensure that you have MetaTrader 5 open on your device and log into your trading account. This is your starting point, and having secure access to your account is crucial. Once you're logged in, the next step involves accessing the Navigator panel. You can do this quickly and efficiently by pressing Ctrl+N. This will open up a sidebar where you can navigate through your accounts and other resources easily. Now focus on your trading account within this panel. You'll need to right-click on it to bring up a list of options. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Register a Virtual Server. This is your gateway to accessing the built-in VPS services that MetaTrader 5 offers. What comes next is browsing through the available VPS hosting options. MetaTrader 5 provides various plans, so take a moment to assess what each one offers. Consider your trading needs, such as speed requirements and budget, and select a plan that aligns with them. Each plan will have different specifications, so make sure to choose one that best supports the activities you plan to run on the server. Once you have chosen a plan, you will need to complete the payment using your MQL5.community account. If you're not already a member, don't worry, you'll have the option to sign in or create a new account during this process. Having an MQL5.community account is essential, as it serves as the central hub for managing your trades, payments, and other MetaTrader services. After successfully completing the payment and activating your server rental, there's one more crucial step. Navigate back to your trading account and right-click on it once again. This time, you'll be selecting Synchronize Experts, Indicators, and Signals, sometimes displayed as Migrate. What this does is upload your current trading environment, including all your expert advisors, custom indicators, and signal subscriptions onto the VPS. This step ensures that your trading setup is fully replicated on the server, allowing it to run continuously and autonomously. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to renting a VPS on MetaTrader 5. With this setup, you can enjoy enhanced performance and reliability, helping you make the most of your trading activities with peace of mind. Whether you're trading